Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll explore how to naturally boost your breastfeeding. Breastfeeding isn't just feeding, it's bonding, nurturing, and comforting your baby. We'll start by understanding the basics. A calm environment, correct posture, and relaxation are key to healthy milk flow. Before feeding, wash your hands and make sure you're relaxed. Lightly massage your breasts in circular motions to stimulate milk flow. Gentle touch helps your body release oxytocin, the love hormone, that boosts milk production. Proper latch prevents soreness and helps your baby feed better. Hold your baby close, nose aligned with your nipple, and wait until the baby opens their mouth wide before bringing them in. You should feel a tug, not pain. To keep your milk supply strong, feed often, 8 to 12 times a day for newborns. Stay hydrated and eat healthy snacks like oatmeal, nuts, and fruits. Remember, stress can reduce milk flow, so take deep breaths and rest. If you feel engorged or your breasts hurt, try warm compresses or hand expression. If nipples feel sore, apply pure lanolin cream and let them air dry. If pain continues, consult a lactation expert. Help is available. Breastfeeding is more than nourishment. It's love and connection. Talk to your baby, make eye contact, and enjoy the quiet moments. Build a routine that works for both of you. You're doing amazing, Mama.